Experience the future of cooking with our dual power gas stove. Simply activate the solar mode for clean green energy, and when the sun sets, switch seamlessly to electric power. One stove, two power options, solar plus electric. This dual power stove harnesses both solar and grid energy to provide you with uninterrupted cooking heat.
Every month, the expense of an LPG cylinder, the worry of the cylinder running out. And what happens to your cooking if the gas suddenly runs out? Now, say goodbye to all these worries, because we have brought you a new and smart solution, the dual solar plus electric gas stove. Yes, now you don't need an LPG cylinder for your cooking. This stove runs on solar power. It uses electricity generated from your home solar system, allowing you to cook your everyday meals with ease. When solar power is available, simply cook using solar power. Clean, smart, and economical. And if solar power is not available, there's absolutely no need to worry. Simply switch to electric power and continue cooking without interruption. That means, one stove, two power options, solar and electric. And most importantly, you get a powerful blue cooking flame, similar to an LPG flame, allowing you to prepare your everyday meals with ease. And now, the biggest news. Get this modern dual solar plus electric gas stove for just 8,999 rupees. Yes, just 8,999 rupees. Choose a smart and modern cooking solution for your home today. Say goodbye to LPG worries and experience a new way of cooking with solar and electric power. Dual solar plus electric gas stove, one stove, two power options. Book yours today. Dual solar plus electric gas stove, available for just 8,999 rupees.